my best friend, I always say, "Hello, how are you? What's new today?" When I see my teacher, I smile and say, "Good morning" or "Good day." When I go home, I wave goodbye, "See you later" or just bye-bye. When I kiss my mommy before going to bed, "Good night" is what I've always said. When I need some help, I ask this way, "Can you help me please?" is what I say. If I want a toy or maybe a treat, "May I have one?" sounds so sweet. And when someone helps me, what do? I smile and say a big thank you. If they say you're welcome back to me, that's polite, as you can see. If I sneeze or bump into you, "Excuse me" is the thing I do. If I make a mess or hurt a friend, "I'm sorry" helps the friendship mend. When I didn't hear or I didn't see, I say "Pardon me" so politely. Using kind words every day helps good feelings come our way. "That's a great job," or "I like your hat." Little kind words, imagine that. Would you like to play with me? Let's have fun and share happily. Let's take turns